Hey, it's Scott Young here. I hope you're doing well. In this video, we're going to be reviewing InstaPayz. InstaPayz is a program or system that was put together by a man named Wesley Virgin, and we're going to run through it. I'm going to show you how it works in this video. But before I jump into that, I want to just let you know that I am not affiliated with InstaPayz at all. I don't have an affiliate link down below in my description for it. I don't get paid if you buy it. I don't get paid if you don't buy it. And I want to let you know that because this is a real honest review that is not influenced by money at all. I just want to share with you. That way you know if you should buy this system or not. All right, let's jump into it. Well, as you can see here on the sales page, they talk about this one button hack that will help you make $143.79 an hour. It's a pretty precise amount. And really the sales page is just a lot of, pretty much salesy type of information. It's $19 here as a one-time fee. I think there's a coupon code for $2 off if you kind of stay on this page for a few minutes, and you get instant access. Now, honestly, the rest of this page is really just a bunch of money claims, a bunch of sales information, which is fine. That's what a sales page is supposed to do. But really, they don't tell you anything about what the product really does. It's called InstaPayz, so you think it has to do with maybe Instagram, but it's really hard to tell what this thing is all about. So let's kind of, I'm going to jump into telling you what I have seen of it, and that way you can get a better idea of what it's all about. So in InstaPayz, it is a program, like I said, that can build niche websites, and it also has elements that will help you build Instagram and Facebook posts. Now, the thing is, those are kind of two unrelated things, and they don't really make it clear why those two things go together, but they're sort of multi-purpose tools, so let's run with it. All right, so the first thing you do in InstaPayz is that you create a campaign based on a particular niche, right? So you type in the niche that you want. Let's say it's affiliate marketing, and it is going to pop out automatically a ton of blog posts and articles and photographs and graphics and sort of Instagram post looking articles and such, all based on that affiliate marketing niche that you put in there. And this is kind of cool. It puts out all these articles, and you kind of look through all the titles and things like that, and it automatically brings these into this feed there. Now, the next thing that it's going to do is it's also going to go out to ClickBank, and it's going to kind of download all the affiliate products that are in that niche, and it's going to insert your ClickBank affiliate ID into those banners and advertisements from ClickBank. Now, if you're not signed up for ClickBank, it's super easy. It takes about 2 or 3 minutes to sign in. It's free, and you can get your ClickBank ID that way. Now, once you've got all these automatically created blog posts and you've got all these ClickBank banner ads and ads that are downloaded based on your niche, the last thing that you do, the last major thing you do in InstaPayz is you do click one button, that's true, and it creates a traffic site for you. Now, what is a traffic site? Well, a traffic site is basically just a website that contains all those posts and articles that it automatically downloaded for you. And it also contains all those ClickBank ads that it downloaded for you that are kind of inserted your ClickBank affiliate ID right in there. And the idea is that you could sort of drive traffic to this website, to the articles and posts, and as people click on those ClickBank advertisements and banners off to the side, you make a commission because those are all integrated with your ClickBank ID. So that really is sort of the main part of what InstaPayz is creating that niche and that traffic website that you could drive traffic to and earn commissions off the ads on that website. Now, I'm going to get to the pros and cons of this system and my conclusion in a minute, but I do want to just cover a few other tools that they kind of throw in there that you might want to know about. So the first one is that it comes with an email autoresponder, which sounds cool, but the reality is that email autoresponders are a complicated thing, because I have found that if you use one of these kind of random email autoresponders, a lot of your emails may not be getting through to your subscribers into their inboxes. The major email autoresponder companies like GetResponse, Aweber, and MailChimp, they spent a lot of years working with Gmail, Yahoo, and Hotmail to figure out how to get emails into the inboxes. Like, even if you have a subscriber on your list, that's not guaranteed that it's going to end up in their inbox. It might be blocked. It may still go to spam. So if you use one of these random email autoresponders like from InstaPayz, you're not really guaranteed that it's going to get into the inbox. So I would definitely stick with one of the major players because they've got this down. Now, the next thing it comes with is Instagram and Facebook tools that will help you create posts. And that's kind of cool. One is an image editor. The other is Instagram and Facebook templates. They also have a hashtag generator, hashtag maker, and hashtag charts that will kind of show you what hashtags are super popular right now. Now, these are great little tools. The reality is you could probably get more robust and powerful tools for free, outside of InstaPayz. Like, if you need an image editor, you can use Pixlr. If you need Instagram and Facebook templates, you could use Canva. I mean, there's lots of tools out there, but, it's nice that they include them here. All right, so let's get to the pros and cons, my conclusion. Now, the pros are on the surface, InstaPayz is a very elegant and appealing tool. The traffic site that it automatically creates looks really cool for a blog site. And, it does fill the site with all these articles, and it nicely integrates the ClickBank ads off to the side. So, it is really appealing because, it is a cool looking site. But here's the main problem. Here's the main con with InstaPayz, and it's sort of kind of a black pill that poisons the whole thing. It looks pretty on the surface, but the content itself that is produced on the page is not really that good. So it looks pretty on the surface, but the content is kind of garbage. Now, I don't know where they get the articles and the content that they, download into that instant traffic site. But the articles themselves read like they're AI generated or maybe pieced together from different things. So they don't really read that well. When you're reading through the articles, the words make sense, but the content is very shallow. In fact, with one of them that I saw, they actually get different languages involved. So like, for example, you might see on your instant traffic site, you might see a blog post in English, and then the next blog post will be in Chinese or Mandarin. And, that's really confusing for your lead, for the people visiting your site. When they're seeing multiple different languages going on, they're not going to convert well because you've confused them. The other thing I see as a downfall with low quality content is that you will not rank very well on Google search results, because if it's low quality content, no one is going to be sharing your posts out on the internet. No one is going to be backlinking to your articles because they're not really worth reading or worth reading again or sharing. So that is going to result in low quality SEO that is not going to rank very high in the search engines. You're not really providing value to the people in these articles if the articles are really low quality. So in essence, with InstaPayz, from what I have seen, you're kind of producing a website that's filled up, but filled up with ultra low quality material. Now, to a newbie, this initially seems really awesome because you get this really great looking website with all this content. You don't have to spend hours and hours making content, but it's missing the absolute fundamental key to making money as a marketer, and that is trust and relationship. You can't just throw a bunch of low quality content out there and expect Google to rank it in the search results and for people to find an appeal there and click on your affiliate links. Even with the content that comes out that is formatted for Facebook and Instagram posts, I mean, that's great, but when you post them out there, if it's low quality and not providing value to people, nobody's going to like the articles, nobody's going to share the articles, and so you're not really going to get anything out of all those, postings that you do. So unless you build trust and relationship through your website by producing valuable content that actually helps people, you're not going to convert those leads into buyers. The only way to build trust and relationship is by actually helping your lead, helping your visitors, and providing them value by solving or helping to solve one of the pain points or problem that they came to your website for in the first place. So overall, unfortunately, I would not recommend InstaPayz. As neat as it looks and as nice as the website looks, it does not provide the value and the ability to convert to sales that you would need. I mean, maybe you could have the instant website built and then replace all of the content with your own. That's a possibility. So there is some value there, but as it stands, I do not think that you're going to get the conversions and the traffic that you would hope from this system. Now, if you're watching this video and you're like, Scott, I was researching InstaPayz because I do want to build an online income. I want to build a six-figure income that will allow me to work from home, to be independent and self-employed, but I just have no idea how to do it. Well, I was in a similar state when I first started in affiliate marketing and online marketing. I bought programs like InstaPayz and systems that were from, even ClickBank and some systems from gurus. And I never found that they worked because they weren't really teaching me the step-by-step A to Z of the whole process. It was just a little bit here, a little gimmick there, a little shiny object there. And I could never piece everything together to start to build an income. But it wasn't until I found a super high quality training course, that had some mentorship and some accountability in there that taught me the ABCs and the step-by-step method by which to build a reliable and successful affiliate marketing business. And once I found that and was trained, that catapulted me in my success as an affiliate marketer. But the thing is, programs like InstaPayz kind of promise instant results. You click a button, you have the site, you're going to make money. But the honest reality of internet marketing, online marketing, and affiliate marketing, it does take a lot of hard work, and it takes a good amount of time to build that business. It doesn't really take a lot of money. You need a little bit of money for some tools, but honestly, it's really time and the effort and the mindset that goes into it. So if you're like, Scott, I do have the mindset, you're motivated to spend the time and build a real quality business here, but you just need to be shown the step-by-step process. You need to learn how to do it properly. Then all you have to do is click the link right below this video in the description. It's going to lead you to my website, and you just need to put in your best email address there, and I'm going to send you a video, a very detailed video that will show you step-by-step how this actually works and what you should focus on, how to market and how to drive traffic to a sales funnel and how to build a sales funnel. All that good stuff is included there. And you can check it out if you want, no pressure. It's totally up to you. But I hope you enjoyed this review of InstaPayz, and I look forward to seeing you on the next page in my free video training series. Thanks.